Maximizer's Word integration enables you to use Microsoft Word to create Maximizer merge documents and templates for any standard documents you're sending out regularly, which will save you time and ensure you're sending out documents in a consistent corporate style. There's two elements to the Maximizer Word integration. There's a Maximizer toolbar in Word, which allows you to add merge fields from Maximizer. So any of the standard fields in Maximizer or any user-defined fields that you've created can be merged into your Word document, such as name and address, and you can control the format that appears in your preferences. User's name and details, which means that the different users can use the same templates within your business. If you're merging to an opportunity, you can merge in any of the opportunity fields, such as the products, the total revenue, if you've got some fields for the breakdown of costs, and you can also use formula fields to calculate the cost with VAT on top. And later on I'll be showing you how one of our customers is using formula fields to calculate 3 payment amounts on different dates. You can also merge to a list of entries, contacts, opportunities or customer service cases, and print those documents or save them. And you can save the document back against the Maximizer entry when you're finished. You can update your templates in the template library, which I'll be talking about next, and you can print envelopes and labels. So there's also a template library in Maximizer, which is a centralized place to store all your Word doc templates, and you can set security so certain groups of users can't see specific templates, or administrators can be in charge of adding or editing templates. So the difference with this template library is it does server-side merging, so you don't actually need Word or the Maximizer toolbar installed on the user's machine. So it works on any browser or operating system such as Apple Mac, and the users can simply right click on an entry and select Merge to Document, pick the template they want to use, and it produces a Word document with the entry's details merged in already. They can then print or save as PDF and email. So I'm just going to show you that, but before I do, the template library is found under Administration, Template Library, and the Word toolbar is under Desktop and Mobile Setup. Currently you do need to use Internet Explorer to use the Word toolbar, just for creating your templates and any of the features that you can do using the Word toolbar, but that is going to change in future versions, so you can use any browser. So yeah, if you open up Maximizer in Internet Explorer, go to Desktop and Mobile Setup, you'll have an option to download the Word toolbar. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to merge to a document template that's saved in your template library. So I've got a contact here, so I just simply right click, merge to document, pick the template that I want to use, and it gives me a Word document. And my details, or the customer's details, are already merged in for me, first name and my details as well. So that's how easy it is to send documents. So any standard documents that you're creating in Maximizer, or that you're creating as a company, such as letters, quotations, contracts, pro formas, invoices, reports. Let me know if you'd like to set those up as Maximizer templates, and that should save you a bit of time on a daily basis and make sure you're all using the same templates.